I'm so sure my students get sick of hearing me say this will not make the cover of Yoga Journal, but you will be able to do it when you're 100. So it's about revolved chair position. Many well-meaning teachers will say, keep your knees together, which looks aesthetically beautiful, but it's very damaging for the SIJ, sacroiliac, and the lumbar spine because they just can't twist. So instead, I recommend letting that back knee come forward so that the twist can be felt more through the thoracic spine, and the lumbar and the sacroiliac can just they can move into the turn, and they are in a safe shape there. So when you're doing this with the feet apart, which is fine as well, but just making sure that that knee doesn't knock in, and that you just track the knee directly over the toes. So you're welcome.